Hello everyone, this is Raji. In association with AKST, today let us learn about select transformation in data flow. So this select transformation can be used to rename, drop or reorder columns. This transformation doesn't alter row data but chooses which columns are propagated downstream. In a select transformation, user can specify fixed mappings, use patterns to do rule-based mapping, or enable auto mapping. So let us see this with an example. Let us go to our storage account. In this folder, okay, let us select another folder. In this demo folder, we have employee details. Let us preview this. So let us alter this one by changing these columns and these names. Let us alter this one. Go to data factory. Create new data flow. Add source. Now create new data set. Azure blob storage, select, continue. Delimited text, continue. That is employee details. Use first row as header. Sample link service, select the path. In demo, let us select employee details 1. Click OK. Click OK. Now click on this plus icon and select transformation. So this is the select transformation. Here we can change the employee, these names. So employee ID we can change to ID. First name, email, let us name this as email address. So let us preview the data. For this we need to on the data flow debug mode. Click OK. So we have changed this employee ID to employee ID to ID and email to email address. So let us preview the data. Click on refresh. It is fetching the data. If you want first name as first column, last name as second column, and employee ID as third column, we can also do this by using mapping settings. Let us see that one also after see email ID, employee ID is changed to ID. Email is changed to email address. So we can alter the data without changing the data in the source file by using this select settings. So if we don't want job ID, we can simply delete this one. And if you preview the data, before it is job ID is present, let me refresh this. So here job ID, we have deleted that column. And again, if you want, you can add mapping. Like this, we can change the name. Here we have two types of mapping, fixed mapping. If there are fewer than 50 columns defined in your source data, all defined columns will have a fixed mapping by default. A fixed mapping takes a defined incoming column and maps it an exact time. And the type is rule-based mapping. If you wish to map many columns at once or pass scripted columns downstream, use rule-based mapping to define your mappings using column patterns. So let us see the data preview. So you can change the settings like this. So this is how you can alter the names or the column. If you want to change the position of the columns, you can use this method, mapping method. And you can give this output to sync. So this is how you alter the data using the select transformation. Thank you.